My Japanese maples are getting a lot of sun. That's why those new leaves are turning yellow. I need to come and give it more water. Here we have my, I forgot to mention my transplanted jasmines, which we'll see how it does in that strawberry plant. We know they're aggressive. Here we have you all, my July 1st plant tour. Did I spot out these sedums? Oh, I did. And then it's something else about those that I would like to show. My potato vines are growing beautifully. If you all see sweet potato vines up there with some purple hearts. I have another peony that's growing here that finally took root. Here I don't have a lot of full sun, so I'm still working on my succulent garden. These coral bells have done well here with this boxwood, which I would like to still prune up. But everyone, yes, I would like to point out that these coral bells have done fine. They were a clearance vine. They have done fine in those pots instead of just using ferns as hanging pots. Yeah, you all, this is it. I did put sedums at the bottom of here, which this blueberry like acidic soil and needs to be watered. So I'll see if I can self-water around the ball portion here without the water kind of going directly along the sides. We'll see how that goes. I can afford to lose some sedums because the site is beautiful right now. You all, oh, did I show you how this red bud just weeps over, which some people do not like, but I do because I don't want anyone walking over there on the edge. This is what new buds. I didn't even realize that some of them put it out there. Oh, my plant tour now. Oh, the crepe myrtles are finally getting ready to bud. It took a while. Oh, it took a while. Okay, you all. See you again next month. By next month, I'll have that area prepared for my plant tour. All right, or my garden tour. Subscribe, everyone, and see you all again soon. Here we have my second peony. I had a third one that I don't know. I started them off inside of pots. So I'll see. Legend has taken them out several times. My potato vines with my purple hearts over there. And from the top, I'll show you all what we have. I newly walkway up underneath there. I put a French drain clearance from the clearance hall, which I'm treating for mites. And Dream is over there drinking some water. Those I need to transplant and get more mulch. But those are my ferns. Japanese maple from the top. The other bed from over there. A hosta there. Plenty of Japanese maples. You will see there's some more. Oh, come on, name. Don't give up on me now. Will come. It's going to come back to me. It's at the mailbox. You all the same plant. It's at my mailbox in pink. That's a fern, which I think I'm going to move to another area. This is always my favorite plant that eye. That's a weed. I forget the name of, but it's my favorite. Oh, this is what I potted with my daughter. Which most of it already bloomed. Our herbs, some mint. And don't ask me what else, y'all. I forgot that fast. We just did it. Japanese maples, of course. You'll see many varieties of Japanese maples. Another rose, ground cover rose. Oh, I just skipped past my Nandina flirt that from a plant haul that's coming up that had really any dirt in there. For you all who are staying with me, thank you so much for staying tuned for my progress. I have 2 more catmints to plant. These were my clearance plants. Let me show you all the back of it, which is looking pretty good from the back. You all see. So Alberta spruces, this one was in worse shape. As you all see, I have to come take out some more browning, but I've always done well with buying some in that stage. And doesn't that look pretty? I'm actually glad we decided to fill this in with gravel so you won't see the black. The star will be the focus, which represents my life. I tend to be a star. No, I'm just joking, everyone. Oh, monkey grass. We have several verbenias that was planted from also the Mississippi plant haul. Many of azaleas, ortopelums, Chinese fringe flowers. Before I get into these, look at my ligustrum, sunshine ligustrums that started with barely anything on their leaves. You all, look at my hydrangea. It was on clearance, but it's gonna be all right. And that's the same color the verbenias will bloom. This here is my star jasmine, which we know it can be aggressive, so I have it inside of a strawberry pot. Just did that about a week ago. Need to come out here and cut off those spent blooms. Oh gosh, that is my David Austin rose, which we'll see soon that one of them have a rose. This is repeat. We have hydrangea, another hydrangea, another eugenia. These aren't sage. They're what? Every time I see them, you all, not lavender, not. Oh gosh, it's at the top of my tongue. You all, I'm sure, have already identified them because they're my favorite. I have them everywhere. But that's how these plant tours or garden tours are when you first starting out. This is my garden bed that was newly David Austin rose transplanted this year. Everything that you see was transplanted this year, except for big items and more mature shrubs or trees. Just a repeat. Oh, there's the purple heart. Hi, purple heart. Next to the beautiful hydrangea. And you all know I love purple. Anything purple. That David Austin rose gave me some beautiful flowers.